The Amazon rainforest, also known as the Amazon basin, is the world's largest tropical rainforest, covering an area of approximately 6.7 million square kilometers, 2.7 million square miles, across 9 countries in South America, including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. The Amazon is home to an incredibly diverse range of plant and animal species, making it one of the most important and unique ecosystems on the planet. In this video, we'll delve into the various aspects of the Amazon rainforest, including its geography, climate, biodiversity, and importance to human civilization. Geography. The Amazon rainforest is located in the Amazon basin, which is formed by the Andes Mountains to the west and the Guiana Highlands to the north and east. The Amazon River, which is the world's second longest river after the Nile, flows through the rainforest and is responsible for the vast majority of the region's drainage. The Amazon River is fed by more than 1,100 tributaries, and its basin covers an area of over 7 million square kilometers, 2.7 million square miles, making it the largest river basin in the world. The rainforest itself is incredibly diverse, with a range of ecosystems that include lowland rainforest, montane rainforest, flooded forest, and savanna. The region's geology is also varied, with soils that range from highly fertile to nutrient-poor, depending on factors such as elevation and drainage. Climate. The climate of the Amazon rainforest is tropical, with high temperatures and humidity throughout the year. The region experiences 2 distinct seasons, a wet season and a dry season. The wet season typically lasts from December to May, while the dry season lasts from June to November. During the wet season, the rainforest receives an average of 250 to 300 centimeters, 100 to 120 inches, of rainfall, while the dry season sees far less rainfall, with an average of 50 to 100 centimeters, 20 to 40 inches. Biodiversity. The Amazon rainforest is home to an incredible array of plant and animal species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. It is estimated that the Amazon contains around 10% of the world's known species, including 2.5 million species of insects, tens of thousands of plant species, and over 2,000 bird and mammal species. Some of the most iconic animals of the Amazon rainforest include jaguars, sloths, anacondas, capybaras, macaws, and howler monkeys. The region is also home to a number of endangered species, including the giant otter, the Amazon River dolphin, and the Brazilian tapir. The rainforest's plant life is equally diverse, with countless species of trees, shrubs, and vines that play a vital role in the region's ecosystem. Some of the most notable plant species include the Brazil nut tree, the cacao tree, which produces chocolate, and a variety of medicinal plants that are used by indigenous communities for their healing properties. Importance to human civilization. The Amazon rainforest is of immense importance to human civilization, both in terms of its ecological significance and its impact on the global economy. The rainforest plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate, acting as a carbon sink by absorbing huge amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. It also helps to regulate the water cycle, acting as a natural filter that purifies the air and water. The Amazon is also an important source of natural resources, including timber, oil, and minerals. These resources are essential to the economies of many of the countries in the region and are often the subject of contentious debates over land use and conservation. Perhaps most importantly, the Amazon rainforest is home to millions of indigenous people who have lived in the region for thousands of years. These communities have developed complex cultures and traditions that are closely tied to the natural environment, and they rely on the rainforest's resources for their survival. Unfortunately, many of these communities are now facing threats to their way of life, as deforestation, mining, and other forms of development encroach on their lands. Deforestation is perhaps the biggest threat to the Amazon rainforest, with vast areas of forest being cleared for agriculture, mining, and other commercial activities. According to the World Wildlife Fund, the Amazon has lost approximately 17% of its forest cover over the past 50 years, and if current trends continue, it could lose up to 30% of its remaining forest by 2030. The impacts of deforestation are far-reaching and can have significant consequences for both the environment and human society. Deforestation contributes to climate change by releasing large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, and it also leads to soil erosion, loss of biodiversity, and disruptions to local weather patterns. Additionally, deforestation can have devastating effects on indigenous communities, who often rely on the forest for their food, shelter, and livelihoods. Efforts to protect the Amazon rainforest are ongoing, with many organizations and governments working to promote sustainable development practices and preserve the region's natural resources. However, the challenges are significant, and it will require a concerted effort from all stakeholders to ensure that the Amazon rainforest is protected for generations to come. In conclusion, the Amazon rainforest is a truly remarkable ecosystem that plays a vital role in the Earth's ecology and is of immense importance to human civilization. Its incredible biodiversity, natural resources, and indigenous communities make it one of the most valuable regions on the planet, and it is our responsibility to protect it for future generations. Thanks for watching.